Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we have another text, another short story so you can practice your English. Yes, you can practice your reading, your listening, vocabulary, grammar structures in the text, pronunciation. So let's get to the story, okay? In a small town, there is a big library. The library is full of books. People go to the library to read books, study, and learn new things. Interesting. One of the people who often goes to the library is a young boy named Jack. Jack loves to read. He always has a book in his hand. He likes to learn about different things. One day, Jack finds a book about animals. He loves animals, so he decides to read the book. He sits in a quiet corner of the library and starts to read about animals. He likes animals. Jack learns about different kinds of animals. He learns about big animals like elephants and small animals like rabbits. He learns about animals that live in the forest and animals that live in the sea. Jack is amazed by what he reads. He didn't know that there were so many different kinds of animals in the world. He feels excited to learn more. So he's discovering more and more about different animals, guys. Jack spends the whole day reading the book. He doesn't even notice how quickly time passes. When he finally looks up from the book, he is surprised to see that it is already evening. Jack goes home and tells his family about what he learned. His family listens to him and smiles. They are happy to see that Jack is so excited about learning. The next day, Jack goes back to the library. He finds another book to read. This time he reads about plants. He learns about different kinds of plants and how they grow. So I guess Jack likes biology, guys. Days turn into weeks and weeks turn into months. Jack continues to go to the library and read books. He learns about many different things. He learns about history, science, art, and much more. Jack's love for learning grows with each passing day. He becomes more curious and eager to learn. He knows that there is so much more to learn, and he is excited to continue his journey into learning. And so life in the small town goes on. The library continues to be a place of learning and discovery. People continue to go to the library to read and learn. And Jack, with his love for learning, continues to inspire others. There you go, a nice short text, guys, short story. This story was created with the help of artificial intelligence, okay, using Copilot, the artificial intelligence for Microsoft. You can check the link on the description of the video. You will also find the story on the description of the video, guys. So you can download it, you can print it if you want, so you can read it at home, guys, okay? Together with the story, you're gonna find a list of the verbs, the nouns, and the adjectives used in the story. Okay, print the list, guys, as well, so you can practice with this vocabulary. Use Google Translate to help you with the new words. Translate them to your language, okay? And continue to practice, guys. Continue to watch videos on YouTube. Watch movies in English, the sound always in English, guys. If you have to use subtitles, It's okay, use subtitles in your language or in English, but the audio always in English, guys, when you watch movies, TV series. Use music to help you as well, okay? On the description of the video, you will also find suggestions, links to different YouTube videos, to different websites where you can practice listening, reading, grammar. So always check the description for extra activities. Okay, guys? So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for your time. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.